it's Phoebe, and today I'm at Universal Studios in Hollywood. This is a major attraction here in California, and we have got the whole day to spend exploring together. We're going to be taking on some amazing thrill rides, checking out a few of the themed areas, and grabbing a bite to eat as well. And I am especially excited because this is my third Universal Studios location. So at the end of this episode, not only am I going to give you my 5 top tips for visiting Universal Studios, I'm going to tell you which of the 3 is my favorite and why. Let's go. To make my life a whole lot easier, I have pre-purchased my tickets online. I did that through Klook, and I'll have a link in the video description below for you so you can do the same thing. Pre-booking your tickets means you don't have to join any of these long queues people are in trying to buy them. You can just go straight up, you scan your QR code, and you are right in. Let's get in there! Ah! I'm so excited! Overwhelmed at where to start. This is a really big park and I've never been here before, so I figured let's just start it somewhere I think I'm gonna love, the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. I keep bumping into people. Oh my god, it's already awesome. To make my life a lot easier and make my day here a lot more enjoyable, I splashed out extra for the Express Pass. Yes, it's an extra expense, but I've been to a few of these theme parks and I know this thing makes a huge difference. So you can purchase this when you're purchasing your ticket. You just choose the Express Pass option. I'll have a link in the video description for you so you can get yours as well. But it means I'm about to skip the queue for the Harry Potter ride. Oh my gosh, yes. That was awesome! But just fair warning, if you get motion sick, prepare yourself for that one, because even I feel a little bit queasy. I skipped breakfast this morning because I'm planning on eating a lot of theme park food today, and we're starting with a big old cup of sugar. It's a butterbeer! Now, I've had the original butterbeer before, but I've never had the slushy version. This looks so good, and it's so hot today. Come on! That's amazing. It tastes like if caramel and creaming soda had a child and they put that in the freezer and turned it into a delicious iced beverage. Oh my god. I've been to quite a few theme parks and a couple of Universal Studios. I've never been to one with Springfield before. I feel like I'm in Springfield. This is a real unexpected highlight. It's so bright and colorful here. They have lots of like sideshow alley games, really cool Simpsons themed foods. They even have Moe's Tavern. I'm pretty sure you can go in there and get yourself a Duff beer. But the thing that takes the cake for me is the Quickie Mart. I love it so much. Another thing they have here that I've never seen before is something called the Studio Tour. I'm guessing it's a tour of the studio. Maybe we'll get to see some movie magic kind of stuff. I don't know. I'm going to use my Express Pass to skip the queue for it, and I'm going to find out what it's all about. sleep on the studio tour. I was a bit skeptical of what that was going to be like, but it was really good. It goes for about an hour, you sit on these trams, so it's nice and cool, especially in the midday heat like today. And they take you through so many cool stages and sets. Basically, you're just exploring the lots and you get to see where some of your favorite movies are made. And they have really great commentary as well. Didn't expect it to be that good, but it was really good. Hey guys, it is the middle of the day. It is searing hot right now. I haven't eaten anything yet, and I'm thinking maybe we could combine those two things. Find somewhere nice and cool to sit for a while and have something to eat. And the tour guide just recommended her favorite spot to me. Let's go and try it. We're back in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter and we're going to eat here at the Three Broomsticks. The tour guide said this is the best spot. I believe her. If you love ribs and roast chicken and corn on the cob and all things like that, you're going to be in heaven here. It all looks so good. For me, I just need a big old dose of veggies today, so they have a big veggie plate. Now, I will be honest with you, presentation 5 out of 10 if I'm being generous, so let's hope it tastes a little better than it looks. Let's just get some mash and sweet peas and mashed potato. The taste is excellent. What they lack in plating, they more than make up for in flavour. That mash is so creamy and delicious. The peas are lovely. And the sweet iced tea. I love the American culture of drinking iced tea. You guys really nail it. It is coming up to 2 p.m. It is extremely hot today. I've said it a couple of times. I mean it. It's dangerously hot out there. So I'm going to pace myself. I'm going to time it right here. It's nice and dark and cool and air conditioned. I'm going to eat my lunch slowly, avoid that hottest part of the day, and then we're going to get back out there and hit it. Around, and the people who work here said that DreamWorks Kung-Fu Panda Adventure is another really good one for a hot day like this. Apparently it's meant to be icy cold in there and the ride is meant to be awesome. Ooh, and they take my express pass. Awesome! Oh my gosh, I really didn't go and do that. I thought it was going to be a lame little kids ride, but it was sick. So the chairs kind of move and vibrate, and then the graphics are incredible. It's really interactive. Like when there's a water part, you get sprayed with little droplets. When there's lots of air whooshing around, you get hit with a blast of air too. That was unexpectedly great. Now for accommodation, while I'm here in LA, I am staying at a place called Hotel Ziggy. It is awesome and I love it. Let me show you right now. The hotel is located on the Sunset Strip and it has been the perfect location. And inside this gorgeous boutique space is just beautiful. It is themed around music and that carries all the way throughout. They have a great restaurant and bar area. They even do happy hour margaritas from 3 until 4 p.m. completely free. Every single day they have live music, great poolside sessions, plenty of spots where you can just hang out and chill and relax. They even have a 24/7 gym. And this is my room. I am staying in room 136 and it is so spacious and I love it in here. I have this really big television which has been great, a desk area where we've been catching up on work. The bathroom is awesome. I even have a separate area where I can put my suitcase, so I actually feel like I'm at home, not just living off the floor for once. And you guys, this bed is everything. When you are as jet lagged as I am right now, you want a comfortable bed, and that bed has been perfect. I am loving staying here, honestly. It's a fantastic spot. I feel so safe. The hotel is in the best location. In the video description below, I'm gonna have a link to my Zoku travel shopfront for you. It's really exciting. It's where you're gonna see photos and reviews from my hotel stays, and you can book the same hotels as I am staying at. So make sure you click through and you check that out and book your stay here at Hotel Ziggy. I highly recommend. So the park is split into two sections. You have the upper lot and the lower lot. Oh my god, minions! Sorry, get out of the way for everyone's photos. I've been using the Universal Studios Hollywood app, which has really been helping me find my way. I highly recommend you do that. You just download it when you book your tickets, and then you can load your tickets into the app, which is what I did. It just makes the whole thing a lot easier. And this is our last spot we need to visit in the upper lot before we start exploring the lower lot. We're in the Minions area, aka Super Silly Fun Land. It's so colourful in here. Seen at Universal Studios before. They have a water park. I'm not going to film it because there are lots of little kids in there and that is 1000% inappropriate, but that is the perfect place to cool off, so you might want to bring your swimmers when you're coming to Universal Studios. Regular viewers of this channel will know we have a tradition here. Whenever we come to a theme park, we get a ridiculous piece of headwear and we wear it with pride all day, the entire day. We're at the theme park. But you guys, I must have tried on every piece of ridiculous headwear they had here at Universal Studios Hollywood, and I hated them all. I couldn't find one that I liked, but I have a backup plan. I've seen something else that I like, and just this one time only, we're gonna get something different. I love Back to the Future and I am obsessed with this t-shirt. I saw it hanging there, I was like, I have to have it. This is gonna be perfect for when I'm on the long haul flights and I just want a baggy t-shirt to wear. Be rocking my Back to the Future merch. I got it. The guy at the counter was like, that's a really cool shirt. I was like, I know. So you can expect to see that in a whole lot of upcoming vlog content. But we are done here in the upper lot. It's time to head down to the lower lot and see what they have down there.
Cheese! See you at the movies! Yeah, don't forget your hair.
There seem to be 4 main attractions down here. We've got Super Nintendo World, Jurassic World, the Mummy Returns ride, and the Transformers area / world. I didn't really know where to start. Everyone looks like they're having fun on the Jurassic World ride, so we're going to start with that one. Super Nintendo World! This has to be the coolest place in here. It is unbelievable. When you walk through that rainbow tunnel area and you pop out in here, it feels like you have entered the game. It is blowing my mind. I have been to the one in Osaka in Japan and I loved it, and this one is just as cool. Revenge is awesome. That is one of my favorite rides here. It is so cool. Now the line is really long. If you don't have the express pass, it's like 100-minute wait. Even with the express pass, it is still a little bit of a wait. Once you make it inside and the express lane ends, it's worth it. It's awesome. My top 5 tips for visiting Universal Studios in Hollywood. Now the park is open from 9 AM to 9 PM and you might read some things online with people telling you, get here an hour before opening. That's not a theory I subscribe to. I always like to show up an hour or 2 after the park opens. I just find by then everyone's settled in and I don't have to queue. That works for me because I have the express pass, which leads me to my next point. If the express pass is outside outside of your budget, I totally get it, but I have the perfect hack for you. You can use the single rider lanes instead, and it's going to cut your wait time right down. Now, to get here as an overseas visitor without a hire car or any desire to hire a car, because I will definitely crash, I just called an Uber, and it was about $20 US from my hotel, which I thought was pretty easy and affordable. Make sure you download the app. It really is awesome. You can check wait times, you can join a virtual queue, find the best places to eat, and you can even order food online. And whatever you do, make sure you dress comfortably. I am wearing jeans and a t-shirt today and some really comfy shoes on my feet, and I am still sore, and I have been on my feet all day. I'm going to tell you which of the 3 Universal theme parks I have been to is my favorite and why. Number 1 has to be the one in Osaka, Japan. I can't describe it. It's just the energy there, and I think that has a lot to do with the locals. The Japanese people are so sweet and so cute. I had a smile on my face ear to ear, and I found the food was much better there. I had a really great plan to try and eat a lot of food here today, but honestly there just hasn't been a huge selection that has grabbed me, whereas in Japan I just couldn't wait to try everything. But that said, I've still had a great day here, and this one would be my second favorite, with Singapore in third. I'm sorry, Singapore. I have had the best day here at Universal Studios Hollywood, and to cap it off, I'm going to tell you what my highlights / top rides were. I absolutely loved the Jurassic Park ride. That was awesome. The Wizarding World of Harry Potter ride was so good. I loved Kung Fu Panda. That was a surprise package for me. And I have to say, the Mario ride, the Revenge of Bowser, Bowser's Revenge, that thing was amazing. Now, if you are going to be checking out any other of the Universal Studios theme parks, make sure you watch my video guides to them. And tomorrow I am off to Disneyland. I'm going to be doing 2 parks in 2 days, and of course filming the whole thing for you, so make sure you check that out. And with that, that brings this week's episode to a close. I really hope you've enjoyed it. Now, if you don't already, be sure to subscribe right now so you never miss a single episode, and say hello in the comments below. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you with a brand new episode next week. You know I love you.